In October 2008, Piedmont Virginia Community College broke ground on an ambitious new project to greatly increase and upgrade its capacity in the medical, biological, and chemical sciences. Designed by the Luke Meyer Partnership Architects and built by Nielsen Builders, the $11.4 million Kluge-Moses Science Building project was funded by the taxpayers of Virginia, Old Dominion University, the Perry Foundation, and Elmer and Jennifer Cannan. The two-story, 34,000-square-foot building is fully accessible to the handicapped and will house the offices of the Dean of Health and Life Sciences Division, as well as 24 faculty members. Labs and classrooms will serve the nursing, emergency medical services, surgical technology, chemistry, biology, microbiology, biotech, gross anatomy, and anatomy and physiology programs. Through a partnership with UVA, new associate's degrees in radiology, technology, and sonography will be initiated. Through an additional partnership with Old Dominion University, it will also house ODU's Teletechnic program. $800,000 for a new traffic roundabout was provided by the City of Charlottesville and the counties of Albemarle, Buckingham, Savannah, Greene, Louise, and Nelson. The building is named for generous benefactors Patricia Kluge and William Moses, who contributed $1.2 million to the project. The students, faculty, and staff at Piedmont Virginia Community College would like to thank the taxpayers of Virginia and all the generous benefactors who made this impressive addition to our fully accredited college and highly rated nursing program possible. We will make you proud of us. PVCC. Opportunity, access, excellence.